YouTube, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? Hey, Facebook over there, I'm waiting for you to come in. Alright, hello, Facebook, we're on. I hope you can see. Are we all set? Good. YouTube, I can see you fine. Let me see what's going on with your Facebook. Alright, you can pretty much see. I hope your lighting is good. Let me just check it. Hey, once again, thank you for coming in my kitchen with me, but I'm in somebody else's kitchen today. So, my mission is, in this kitchen here, is I got to do some spaghetti and some chicken parmesan. So I already have the water boiling here. You know, salt the water like it's the ocean. Okay? So, this is a quick process that's happening here. It's going to be real quick, y'all. Quick with the quickness. Nice, lovely, everything, okay? So like I said, I've got my pan ready for my chicken parm. Alright? And we're just going to add a little bit of this spaghetti in this boiling water here. I already started it, so because you know I don't want to be on and keep you on too long and everything. Hi, Tara. So this is what we're doing today. We're making spaghetti and some chicken parm. Okay? So that's good. There to go. Put this up here. Just finding my way around this kitchen since it's somebody else's kitchen, but you already know I'm a survivor. I can do this. So, how's everybody been? Good to see you. Let me just get some utensils and we'll be right on with it. Okay, get some utensils. So, this is our spaghetti that's already in the water. Salt your water. Don't forget to salt your water like the ocean. It doesn't matter because you're gonna rinse the water off anyway, so it's not actually going in your pasta. It's just, like I said, just throw it in there like it's the ocean, and that's good to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is a quick chicken parmesan here though, y'all. Okay? So I want to get a golden crust, even though it's a golden crust, but I want it a little bit more crispier than what it is. So what I'm going to do here is take a nice hot skillet, get it nice and hot as you can see. Let me just back up so that I can make sure that you can see what I'm doing here. Okay. I need to go through the process of breading my own chicken parms and all that stuff, which I know how to do. This is just quick, simple, easy, delicious type of night. It's Thursday, it ain't time to be going all out the way. People just want to come home and have something simple. You know what I mean? Quick, easy, and delicious. Okay, so I'm just going to put these in here just to give them an extra little oomph on them, you know? So that'll be cool. Put it in the pan, and they're good to go. Hold on, you guys, let me get me a glass of orange juice. Okay, we're going to make some garlic toast too. Alright, so now that we have our chicken cutlets in the pan, just want to give them a crunch on them, you know? Just a little crunch. We don't want to do nothing to them, but just give them a crunch. Get me a glass of orange juice. A glass of orange juice. Yes. So it's been brought to my attention the other day. Having a conversation with Eva Johnson, Eva C. Johnson. Shout out to Women of Andrew Jackson's project. You're the best. Okay, definitely. And the conversation was about collard greens. Now, I've learned just about all my cooking and stuff, really pretty much home cooked meals, you know, from my kitchen like that. Like I said, thank you for coming to my kitchen with me. Like, share, and subscribe. And my mom had a little twist going on with her collard greens that I never knew about. But I can't tell you that secret though. But it was told to me. May her soul sleep in peace. And I'm actually going to, because I've always wondered, why can't I mean, I can make some good collard greens now, don't get me wrong. But it was always something missing, that touch that my mother had. I'm like, and I've been battling with myself for years saying, why can't I get that exactly the way she had it? Because she had a secret recipe. Now I know it. Thank you, Eva. I can't believe my mom didn't tell me that, right? And now I know. I love her so much. Yeah, this is going places. But, let me see on the other side of this. Yeah, just want it like that. Just a little, like the Italian Parmesan when you go to the Italian restaurant. That's what I'm looking for, that kind of love. You know what I mean? So, we got a little spaghetti, just a spinner. And I'm going to also do another little twist at the end of this video here, which I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So, pretty much have everything set up here, and I'm going to just come on out with this toast for 2.5 seconds. I'm going to definitely need this, but this is just the pan that I'm going to have to put it in. So I went and bought it today, and look at the lid, it's all messed up, my goodness. But that's okay. Food's gonna be good. You just rinse it out, Just bought it from the store, I don't know what they be sitting up on top of that shelf, stuff be collecting it and stuff like that. I don't want that in my food. So, let me rinse this out real quick. There we go. Yeah, this is pretty good here. I can see it because I just want it just a little bit more, Good. That's good. I love chicken parmesan. So I had no idea what I was going to eat. Thank you, Eva C. Johnson from Aunt Jackson. Women of Aunt Jackson Crossfish again. You're amazing. Sometimes I get food blocked. And I'll be like, I'll call her up and I'll be like, what do you suggest today? What should I do? And she's always got something for me right there on the spot. No problem. She's like this with it. Well, you can do this, or you should do that, or whatever. And I'll be like, great, girl. Great. You're amazing. You're amazing. So, yeah. So this is how I want this. Like, I'll show you the clothing, the color that I'm looking for. So it doesn't really have to normally taste like, you can just buy stuff out of the, like we're doing this chicken cutlet already done, but we're still giving it a little extra outside. I know I'm giving it mine, so I'm just changing the color up on it. So if you see this color here, this is what we're looking for. Just get a little crispier, Yeah, so it looks like, and it tastes like people love Italian food. That's what it do. So like I said, what we're gonna do, now, okay, I'm going to show you a secret, what I'm going to do. This is where all of this good comes into play, y'all. Check this out. Spaghetti, pasta takes 6 minutes. Right? Especially if you're going to throw a sauce on it and, continue to cook. It's the same thing with macaroni. When you make macaroni and cheese, that's a 6-minute process before you put the noodles in the oven and mix it with the cheese and stuff like that. So, let me just put this on the side for a minute. And as you can see, I just wanted them just to get a little bit darker than what they are. That's all. And then on top of that, they're hot inside. So that's what we were going for. Give me all the crumbs, because I love them. Alright, so now we're just going to wrap up this quick sauce real quick. It'll take a second. If I can open this, y'all. Yay! See, stronger than people give me credit for. How about that? That's what you want. What you want, that's what you want. You heard that? You heard that sister how I had to back up because I didn't want that spaghetti stuff splashing all over me? That's what you want. Okay. So this is, what spaghetti is, this spaghetti sauce is this? Oh, classico. Okay, it's tomato and basil. It's like I said, in Italian, you never have too much basil. Okay? Never. So you could just OD on it if you want to, because it is, I never heard of it hurting the spaghetti. So I'm going to add some, I'm going to put my basil in last and put it on the top. This is my basil, y'all. Look at that. I love it. Smell it. It smells so good. Oh my God, it doesn't smell good. Yeah, you just look at that for a little while. That's just too good. Okay? So let me finish off this. So what I'm going to add in here, I'm going to just touch it up just a little bit, not much. I'm going to put some oregano in it. Okay? There you go. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit. You don't need all that stuff. Alright, so we got some oregano in there. Pinch. Salt. Let me see. I know they don't have any. Because normally I use, fresh garlic, whole garlic. But I did find some garlic powder in here, okay? So we're going to work with that. Just a little bit of garlic, not too much. You see, these are coming out in balls. Garlic. There we go. See? Garlic. Good. There, I can smell it already. It's really doing its work. It's wonders. So let me add just a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay? You don't need that much. Okay? You can always add your own salt after, because you can, one thing about salt, once you do it, you can't take it out, especially when you're doing a sauce like this, because there's no water in it, and it's not like you can rinse it. So you be careful, because like I said, the cheese, the mozzarella cheese is going to cover for that anyway. Okay? Let me get some of this mess up. This thing really will splash. There we go, guys. We're good to go. So, like I said, we just put the can pop a little bit. I don't want it all over the place. You know how that pasta sauce does. Okay? So, I'm just gonna take a few pieces of this basil, but pretty much I'm gonna use this on the top of it. This is going to be like a garnish. Alright, this is definitely going to be a garnish. Hello everybody who's just tuning in. You haven't missed much. The show is just starting. So this is fresh basil I have here. Like I said, basil is so delicious. I put the thing up to your nose so you can smell it. I was like, oh my God, smell this. It smells so good. It smells so good. So pretty much what we're doing is making chicken parm and spaghetti. Something quick, fast, easy, simple, and delicious. Okay, so we're going to throw this chicken parm up in here now. Just want to make sure I can see this part here. I'm going to put right there, because that's like it keeps splashing. There you go. Let's put this in there. Make sure I got them nice and round in my pan. Okay. I'm just going to flip that over. That's all, okay? Once we flip that over, we're actually waiting for the spaghetti to boil. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about once I finish this, okay? So, there we go. Let me get a little taste of this sauce, y'all, before we go any further, okay, so I can make sure we're good there. Perfect. Oh my God, it's so good. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. I got to eat. What's going on? So, our next step is spaghetti. It's almost done. So I'm just like procrastinating here, giving this the time to get to the temperature I want it to be. And that's when I'm going to show y'all the real twist that I got for you. You're going to be like, what? What? I'll be like, watch how this works. Don't worry, just hang in there. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube page so you can see this. Okay, what I'm about to do. Get up in here and do this the right way. I haven't been on YouTube since I came back from vacation. So, for whatever reason, my personal reasons, but, I'm back. Alright, excuse me 1 second. Alright, so I'm back. Okay. Alright, are y'all ready for the surprise I got for you? This one is going to be good. Watch when I tell you. You're going to love this. You're like, okay, let's see how this is going to go. I promise you, this is going places. Alright. First of all, let me drain the spaghetti off, okay? No, I actually have a collar. I'm too daggone lazy to go get one, right? Look this away. Look at this. The girl ain't used now one piece of spaghetti. That's good, right? So I'm gonna get that water off of it. There we go. Perfect. So now, hold up, slow down. You still don't know what I'm doing. I got this surprise for you. I'm trying to tell you. Someone on my fish one. You're like, that's what you was talking about. I'll be like, yep, and watch how this rolled off. Okay, we got our spaghetti in here. We're good to go. I'm gonna wash this right out. Just give me a second. I just want to make sure that I got everything I need in here. Alright, so once we do this, right? Spaghetti is already in the pan. Okay, once we do this, we'll add a little bit more, just a little bit of butter. Okay, we don't want to overdo it. Okay. Give me a little stick of butter here. Alright. Let's do this. There we go. Pasta ain't pasta without margarine, y'all, or butter rather. I kid you not. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this up in here, as you can see, right? Put it in there like that. Let's get it all in there and let it work. Work its magic. You'll be like, so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's right. Spaghetti. That's what I'm gonna do. So, yes. Thank you for your posts, ladies from, Andrew Jackson, Women of Andrew Jackson Projects. Thank you, y'all. You're making that page go places. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Especially with the sister pics and stuff like that. But, yeah, I can still come and like and share to my YouTube page, too. It's called Dale Ellis. Thank you for coming in my kitchen with me. And you'll see me doing some fun stuff. Of course. Really fun. Right? Some really fun stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drop this one first. Okay. totally drop this 1 second. Alright. So as you can see, I'm putting them in the pan. Right? Okay. Make sure. Okay, we're good to go. So let me get the rest of this sauce, right? Let me take the rest of this sauce. Watch what I do. I'm still going to put it in here, so don't worry about it. So you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. If you can see this, right? Okay, so that's just the spaghetti and the Parmesan on the top. I'm going to add the sauce around it. I'm going to start building now. Okay? I'm going to be building the sauce underneath it where you can actually see it. So I'm just going to move this aside. You drop a piece of sauce right there, right? Then you lay your meat back on it. Okay, right on top of the sauce. Perfect. You do that to the next one. Drop the sauce right in that spot. There you go. And so on. There you go. So this way here, when you pick it up in that portion, you can grab the whole thing. That'll give you the sauce and everything underneath it. Because some people like to see the whites of their spaghetti. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm building like this. I have one more left. See, my measurements are pretty on point. Let me do one more. And this is our last one. It's hot. It's good though. Oh goodness. That is good. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm sorry, it's good. I'm eating off the pan, right? Okay. Now that we've done that, right? What I'm gonna do is add just a little taste of water down in the pan. Okay? So this way here doesn't be running just in the corners, right? You don't need that much, just want a little bit. Okay? Now we're gonna open up this cheese. Yeah, hold on a second now. Give me 1 minute, let me open this. Nice. Get a knife and I'm doing good on YouTube. Hey, YouTube. Thank you for coming in my kitchen with me. Actually, I'm in somebody else's kitchen. You know, I get to travel. So, this is what I'm doing here today. Alright, so you see what I'm doing? I'm putting the cheese on the top of the patties. Okay? What I'm going to do is take that basil. I'm going to throw that down on there. Little pieces of strips that they're so beautiful. Look at that beautiful basil, y'all. I love this stuff. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. There you go. Up in there so we can get some of that. Good, good. So we're just going to drop the leaves around it. I'm going to show you before I melt this cheese. Because that basil's going to go down in there. All that sauce. I kid you not. It's dancing in basil. He's like, give me the jam. Yeah, but this is what we do, man. Thank you so much. Like I said, I haven't been posting since I've been back from vacation. And so I said today it's nice. I feel okay mentally, spiritually. That I'm gonna come on in here and show some love back. That the love that you give to me. I like sharing this to my YouTube page. To Adele Ellis, thank you for coming to my kitchen. So this is what the thing look like before I put it in the oven. You see, I got the basil all lined up around it. Stuff like that. I don't want to drop my water out. Okay, y'all see that, right? I know you can see it. YouTube, Facebook. I hope you're up in there. Y'all, everybody can see it. Thank you for the love. Love you all. Okay, so this is what it look like. I know YouTube can see me really good. Alright, so this is the basil around it, the fresh basil. So now here is where I'm coming in with this twist, y'all. Watch what I do. Bam. Throw that sucker right up on there. You ain't got to turn none of that oven in. So you throw this little pan right up on here on very, very low. Just for a second. It's going to be hot when it comes, the pan's going to be hot when it comes out the oven anyway. It's the same thing. I'm going to put this lid on it. Let that rock. I'm just trying to melt the cheese. Everything else is done. You ain't got to get all fancy smancy. Let's just do this real good. So, see that smile on my face. That makes me happy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch over to the back. Because I'm going to do the garlic bread real quick for you. Okay? Let's get over here to the garlic bread, y'all. Then I'm going to plate for you. Okay? Let's see how that comes out. Delicious. Delicious. Not the fancy schmancy. Just down home cooked meal that you grew up on in your house. With a little twist. Called my way. But that's the whole concept of what we just did. Oh, we did that garlic bread. Put the garlic bread on for y'all real quick. I'm just going to mix it out. Thank y'all, like I said, coming in here with me. I appreciate you. You're real good company for me. Good company for me. Right. This one nice and good and hot. And I love this basil. I really do. This is amazing because like I said, I ain't never heard of basil hurting nobody. No garlic. I mean, that's too much garlic. No, it is not, honey. I've never heard of garlic hurting nobody. For real. I'll be like, give it up. I'm going to put this away. Let's go here. I need some water now. Just add some off. Some water. Water. Turn this water off. Yeah. And how you can tell, you just touch the top, but don't, you know. How you know it's good to go. Okay. Get some water. So while we're waiting for this pan to heat up, pan it. Okay. Good to go. Alright. Yeah. It's pan fried toast. If you notice, tonight's dinner was on top of the stove every day. It's on top of the stove. It's so cool, right? Everything on top of the stove. You ain't gotta put nothing in the oven. None of that. That was the twist. My God, the older I get, the better water tastes to me. I'm gonna say it has no taste. That's bull crap. Yes, it does. It tastes good. Then I know something here. That's what we're gonna do. So now that we have our toast on, you can see pan toast. It's one of them skillets. Now down and do it. Do it. Okay. That was good. Thank y'all for keeping me company. Alright. Let's see how long we've been working at this here. Yeah, I told you, it'll be quick and it's so fast. It's easy. It's Thursday night. Anybody trying to do nothing like it's gonna take 6 hours in the kitchen, especially after coming home from work and stuff. You get tired. Shit, I know I do. No, just I don't mind eating out sometimes, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And that be like cook your own meal sometimes. So that's why I try to give up the fast, easy, simple recipes. And I don't want nobody to be all complicated, you know. Like what I do is easy, so it's like you can totally do it. Anybody, I promise you. That's why I'm saying this is what you call, you can survive now. You know how to make your own spaghetti, you know how to do that. You know how to do a little simple thing. Ain't nobody asking you to go make a filet mignon, you know. And stuff like that. You know, I speak that language too, but that's what we're talking about on my YouTube page. We're talking about home cooking. I'm not gonna get all fancy smancy on you now. You know I can do it. But that's not what I'm doing here. I'm just keeping it real, keeping it home, and keeping it clean. How about that? Alright. So you know I got OCD. I love the color of this toast right here. That's my color. It's perfect for me. So I don't have a bread basket, but we're gonna pretend. Okay? We'll use our imagination. Okay? And we'll make a little bread basket. Take this bread on up out of here. And y'all see this bread? Can you see it? That's a little toast. See, that's just toast. When it come in the box, the garlic toast, okay? So that eliminates me from having to do all of that. But that's the color I like my toast. Okay? You can see it. Alright, so let's slide this back on the video. What that's doing. Take a piece of fish and melt it down. So then it's starting to melt, y'all. You are going to be in for a treat. You are going to be in for a treat. Since this is over, I kid you not. Honey, I kid you not. You know your girl ain't gonna never lie to you. Tell you nothing wrong. Yes, darling, this is a hit. Like everything we do up in here is a hit, honey. You already know. Alright, so what we're gonna do is start breaking this kitchen back down. No, how that's gonna go. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. So yeah, I can hear that. I can get a plate so we can plate, okay? Let's see. My favorite plate.